In ESL classrooms, traditional vocabulary drills often involve repeating words over and over for memorization. Flashcards are essential tools for teachers, useful at every stage of the class as they help to introduce, practice, and review vocabulary. You can create flashcards with pictures on one side and words or sentences on the other. Use them for individual or group activities, such as matching games, sorting exercises, or quick review quizzes. Flashcards work well because they engage active recall, where students try to remember meanings actively, aiding in moving information from short-term to long-term memory. Are you looking for more ways to enhance vocabulary learning? Here are 5 effective methods for drilling vocabulary in an ESL classroom. One, choral drill. The simplest way to use a flashcard is to point to a new vocabulary word and lead the class in a choral drill, where students repeat the words aloud after you. This helps reinforce pronunciation and familiarizes students with the sounds of the words.
How many times should you repeat a new word for students to remember? And how many new words should you introduce in each class?
Good question. The number of times you need to repeat a new word for students to understand and remember can vary depending on several factors, including the complexity of the word, the student's age and learning style, and the context in which the word is introduced. There is this popular theory called the Rule of 7, which suggests that learners typically need to encounter new information at least 7 times before it becomes firmly embedded in their long-term memory. 7 words, 7 steps, or 7 points are the maximum for optimal memory retention, which means that in a language classroom, you shouldn't teach more than 7 new words. I personally stick to 4 to 6 new words per class. In the teaching phase, I repeat each word 3 to 4 times, and then we practice. I create activities and games that make students use new words in different contexts. The key is to provide multiple exposures to the word in varied and engaging ways to support students' memory and understanding. In practical terms, show the flashcard to the student and see if anyone in your class can say the word. Then say the word and ask your students to repeat it after you. Repeat it 3 to 4 times.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
Do not reveal the written form until your students have understood the sound connected to the image displayed on the flashcard. When you drill the word, repeat the word or phrase while going from quiet to loud. Start drilling vocabulary quietly and holding the flashcard low. Hold it higher and higher as you get louder and louder to show the volume increasing. The kids might be slow at first, but they catch on quickly. Take a look at an example.
Tornado, 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 tornado! Tornado, tornado! Tornado, 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 tornado!
2. the two-finger point. Flip the flashcards or write the words you want to practice on the blackboard. Have your students stand up. When you point to a word with one finger, they must say it aloud. If you point to a word with two fingers, they should remain silent. If they make a mistake, they must sit down. To make it more challenging, alternate between fingers or use more than two fingers. This activity offers a simple yet enjoyable way to practice reading that engages everyone. 3. Syllable drill. If you are teaching 2 or 3 syllable words, break them down and teach them as a chant. For instance, with the word thunderstorm, the teacher says thunder and the students respond with storm. Try similar breakdowns with the rest of the words you are teaching. Here is an example.
Thunder, storm. Thunder, storm. Hurry, cane. Hurry, cane. Volcano, volcano. Tornado, tornado. Earthquake, earthquake.
This method also works with one-syllable words. Pronounce the sound of the first letter in the word along with the word itself. Then prompt your students to articulate the phonetic pronunciation of the first letter and complete the word.
C, cat, cat. C, cat, cat. T, tiger, tiger. T, tiger, tiger. B, bird, bird. B, bird, bird. D, dog, dog. D, dog, dog.
4. Flashcard relay race. Divide your class into 2 teams with 5 students from each team lining up in front of the board. As the teacher says a word, students must select the corresponding flashcard from a pile in front of them and pass it down the line. The final student nearest to the board then places the card on the board. For an added challenge, encourage students to write the correct word below the flashcard. A fun variation of this activity is a game called Broken Telephone or Chinese Whispers. Teams line up with 5 or 6 members each. The teacher whispers a word into the ear of the last student in line, who then whispers it to the next student, and so on. The last student closest to the board either shouts out the word or rushes to the board, slams the correct word or flashcard, and announces it. 5. Vocabulary circles. Arrange students into small groups and give each group a set of vocabulary cards. Have students sit in a circle with the cards face down in the center. One student picks up a card, reads the words, and then uses it in a sentence. The next student in the circle then picks up another card and continues the activity. This encourages active participation and repetition of vocabulary in context. Here is an example.
February. Can February March? No, but April, May. Okay, doctor. I want to be a doctor, but I don't have any patience. Easy. If you think teaching is easy, you have never tried teaching a class of 57-year-olds. Okay, next one. Nose. Nose. Why do we have noses that run and feet that smell? Okay, let's see which one. Let's pick this one. Past. Past. The past, the present, and the future walked into a bar. It was tense. Oh my God, what am I saying here?
If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more educational content. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon to turn the notifications on. This way, you will never miss a single upload and help your fellow teacher grow his channel. Just a reminder, I have an online store where you can purchase my PowerPoint lessons. If you are interested, please visit my store at teacherval.com. Don't forget to take advantage of a bundle builder. Simply click on any lesson in the store and scroll down until you see a bundle widget offering a discount. All the links are in the description box below the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.